Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me. If you're new here, my name is Molly and I do weekly meal prepping for breakfast and lunch. I just recently celebrated my 1-year YouTube anniversary. So a couple days ago, I did a video on a keto cheesecake to celebrate. So this has been a really fun year making these videos. I really appreciate all of your support and everybody watching them. It's been really fun. So this is going to be my lunch for this week that I'm sharing with you. So it is going to be chicken enchilada stuffed peppers. So I have all of my stuffed peppers here, all kinds of colors. You can use your preference. And then I have already shredded rotisserie chicken. This is really great. I've been seeing it in the store a lot lately, so it's really convenient. And then I have green enchilada sauce, and I like this brand Las Palmas. It has no added sugar, so I like to look at that on the back of the nutrition information. I'm going to use some black beans and no salt added, of course. Really great, high in fiber, high in protein. And then I have some shredded Monterey Jack cheese, so this will make up my stuffed bell peppers enchilada style for lunch for this week. So I will put the recipe for this in the description box, so check that out. And if you're new here and you haven't subscribed, click that subscribe button and also the bell button so that you get a notification each time I post a video. So I'm gonna get these stuffed peppers cooking so that lunch is ready for the week.
So I've cut the tops off of the peppers and I've scooped out all the seeds so they are ready to go. I'm going to brush them with a little bit of olive oil in the middle and then on the tops. So once they are all brushed with the olive oil, I'm going to bake these in the oven. I have the oven preheated right now to 350 degrees. So I'm going to put these in the oven for 30 minutes, just the bell peppers, before I put the stuffing inside of them. So I'm going to get the stuffing ready. So I have my shredded chicken. It's just regular shredded rotisserie chicken already ready to go. It's really convenient. I'm gonna tear apart some of the bigger pieces to make sure that it's all small shreds going into the stuffed peppers. So now I'm gonna add in 1 cup of Monterey Jack cheese. And then I'm going to add in my black beans, a cup of black beans. And I have a cup and a half of green enchilada sauce. This is really yummy, has tons of flavor. So I'm gonna mix it all together and then it'll be ready to go inside of the peppers as soon as the peppers are done cooking in the oven. Alright, so the peppers are out of the oven. They cooked for 30 minutes, and I did have them cool for a minute so that they're easier to handle. So I'm going to scoop in the mixture of the shredded chicken, black beans, cheese, and the enchilada sauce. So I'm going to scoop that into each pepper. And now I'm going to add in some enchilada sauce over the top of the pepper. And then once I do that, I'm going to add in some Monterey Jack cheese on top of the whole pepper. So once all that is ready to go, I'm going to put this back in the oven for 15 minutes, and then our peppers will be ready for lunch for the week.
All right, so the chicken enchilada stuffed peppers are all done, and they have cooled out of the oven for a little bit, so I'm going to portion them into my meal prep containers. These same containers that I use for breakfast, I use these for lunch also. They're glass, they're nice and thick, really sturdy. I actually dropped one time, so they don't break. They're nice and really great quality. I will link these in the description box. I got them on Amazon. So I will portion out the peppers and our lunch will be ready to go for the week. So lunch is ready to go for the week. I will store these in the refrigerator, heat them up before lunch, and I also like to put a little bit of sour cream on top and a little bit of diced avocado if you'd like, some diced tomatoes as well, so you can add all that on after you've heated it up for lunch for each day this week. So check the description for this healthy recipe, that'll be in there. And thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I hope that you have a great weekend. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.